Welcome back to another how-to episode in regards with crocheting. It's the only sort of series I'm doing on how-tos. I hope you guys are enjoying these. Please like and comment below any questions you have or anything you want me to cover. Anything that you sort of just have any comments about, let me know. I'd love to know if you're a crocheter, what methods do you do, and describe it down below for me, because it's a lovely community, the crochet community. We all need to share, we all share our knowledge, and it's so amazing. And I'd love to hear everyone else's sort of like approaches to things. So please feel free in the comments down below to let me know if A, you're enjoying these, B, if they're helpful, C, if you've got any questions, and just everything else. I want to know how you guys are doing. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Okay, so now we're going to go into double crochets, which honestly are very similar to half doubles. So you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. Now if you're wondering why we're chaining 2 instead of the 1 as we did for the half double crochet, it is because the double crochets have height on them. A lot of people, especially in projects where you're making clothing, will use a double crochet or a triple crochet in some instances, because it means that you can cover more area with your crochet row than you would do if it was single. If you did single, it would be much shorter, as you can see here. That's a half double. You can already see the size difference. And now we're doing doubles. So to do a double, you will yarn over, insert in between those two V's underneath, pull through, and again, similar to how you do a half double crochet, we have 3 loops on the hook, and similar to a half double crochet, we now have 3 loops on our hook. However, we're not going to yarn over and pull through all 3, but instead we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, so you should still have 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over again and pull through 2. And that is a double crochet. So yarn over, go through to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that is your double crochet. And now repeat that all the way until the end of the row. The speed will come with you naturally the more you crochet. It's, as they say, practice makes perfect, honestly. And just like that, your row of double crochets is done. You can see here, that is the single, half double, double. You can see they're getting taller with each stitch, which is often why you'll see a double crochet used more when you're crocheting a larger project like clothing that doesn't require stuffing, because it is taller, so your rows can make up more time than single crochet could. I personally don't use double crochets with any project that requires stuffing, purely because, as you can see, there can be gaps in between, so it might make the project look a bit messy.